Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G73 and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all we have to do is to open the app which will provide us with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, whatever. Just have the keyboard on the screen. Hello. Alright, just like that, just have it here, and we have to enter the settings, which are in this kind of option panel. If for some reason you cannot find them here, no worries, 3 dots icon and they will appear right here. So let's tap on the settings, tap on the languages, and as you can see, this is the list of all currently added languages. We've got only English, so let's tap on add keyboard. And here we've been transferred to the full list of all available languages from which you can choose. So as you can see, this list is so wide and I'm really sure that you will find the language you'd like to set. All you have to do is to find it and tap on it. So I will pick Urdu, and depending on the language, you will be able to pick the region sometimes. So just tap on it. And here again, the keyboard mode, kind of. It depends on the language again, because sometimes you will only have one keyboard type to choose from, and sometimes you will have up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up to 7 different keyboard types. So quite a lot. I just want to find the keyboard with. I just wanted to find a keyboard with those, you know. Maybe not Latin, maybe India. All right. So I just chose a wrong region because I wanted to have this keyboard type, the graphical one, in order to show you actual difference after applying it. So if you want to pick a particular mode, just tap on it until it will be marked and untick the previous option or just leave 2. It's really up to you. Just have fun with this section. All right. Just tap on done if you're ready. And as you can see, the Urdu language has been applied to the list. So now we can go back to the keyboard and check, because we will have 2 differences. Right now we've got only one visible, and the difference is the language key. So it appeared after adding new language, and it will act like a language key, which I just said. It will simply change the language on the keyboard. So right now I'm typing English, but after tapping on the globe icon, I can easily switch to the Urdu one. And here we've got also the second difference, which was not visible previously, the spacebar. It's not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using. So as you can see, after changing the language, we can again see the English with the particular name of the English in the spacebar. Alright, so basically this is how to add the language to a keyboard, and now let me show you how to remove it, because sometimes you don't really need to have 2 different or 3 different languages added. You just want to change it, so you want to remove the previous language. And in order to do that, we have to again enter the settings and the languages, but we have to stick to this section. All we have to do here is to tap on this pencil icon, edit icon. Now we can mark the languages, and we can also reorder them if you want to, and then tap on the trash bin icon. Again, as you can see, we've got only English left, so we've got only one language applied, and we can check it. We do not have the language key, the globe icon. What's more, the spacebar is empty. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to change keyboard language in your MOTOROLA Moto G73. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.